In one of my favorite episodes of Futurama, Fry is talking to God. He's asking him questions, and God replies to one of the questions by saying, sometimes when you do a good job, it's like you did nothing at all. And that's always resonated with me. And it's also brought to me the difference between appreciating something and valuing something. We've all received that gift at Christmas that we appreciated. You know, it's that thing that we got it. We're like, yes! But then 2 months later, 3 months later, it ends up in a box somewhere because we don't truly value it. It's the same thing that can happen with professionals when dealing with professionals. The best people in their respective fields are usually very good, and because they do it so well, it makes it look easy. And people are more likely as customers to complain about a service than to rant and rave about a service and tell all their friends and families. So my tip to everybody is really find professionals who are good at what they do, and remember that you're paying them for their output, not necessarily just their time. So if someone's been doing something for a really long time, they may be able to give you a great output very quickly, but don't feel that it's not of value to you if you got the output that you wanted. When it comes to buying a house, that's very, very important, because quite often people look for cheap services that end up costing them more money and more time than if they had just gone to a professional in the first place. My name is Anthony Lindsay, and I've been in finance for over 30 years, and I know a lot of stuff.